In this video, I'm going to show you how to kern in Photopea, even though Photopea doesn't have a dedicated manual kerning hotkey like desktop Photoshop. Instead, you'll use a simple workaround with the character panel and the tracking setting to adjust the spacing between just two letters. This is a super useful trick if your text looks awkward, if two characters feel too tight, or if you want your typography to look cleaner and more professional. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project in Photopea and select the Type tool from the left toolbar. You can also press T on your keyboard to activate it quickly. Once you have the Type tool selected, click into the text on your canvas. Now here's the key part. Drag your cursor to highlight only the second letter of the pair you want to adjust. So if you're trying to fix the spacing between an A and a V, highlight only the V. That selection is what lets you control the space around just that one character. Next, look over to the right side of your screen and open the character panel. It usually has a capital A icon, and if you don't see it right away, go to the top menu, click Window, and then choose Character. This panel is where Photopea keeps all the text spacing controls, font settings, size, and other typography options. Once the character panel is open, find the tracking option. Tracking is labeled with a VA style icon and a horizontal arrow underneath it. This is the setting you'll use to simulate kerning in Photopea. Even though it's technically tracking, when you apply it to just one selected letter, it changes the spacing between that letter and the one before it. Now adjust the number in the tracking box. If you want to increase the space between the letters, type in a positive number like 20, 50, or even 100, depending on how much room you need. If you want to bring the letters closer together, type in a negative number like -20, -50, or -100. The best number depends on your font and the style you're going for, so feel free to experiment a little until it looks balanced. As you make changes, watch the text closely. Small adjustments can make a big difference, especially with logo text, headlines, and titles where spacing has to look clean and intentional. If the letters still don't look quite right, try adjusting the value in smaller steps until the gap feels natural. The goal is to make the pair look visually even, not just mathematically spaced. A great tip is to zoom in while you're working. That makes it much easier to judge the spacing between letters accurately. You can also compare different parts of your text and make sure the kerning matches the style of the rest of the design. If you're working on a logo or title, good kerning can instantly make your design look more polished and professional. And that's really the trick to kern in Photopea. Select the second letter, open the character panel, use the tracking box, and adjust the spacing until it looks right. It's a simple workaround, but once you know it, you can fix awkward letter spacing in just a few seconds. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more Photopea tips, tutorials, and design tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.